In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Strapi this 2024. So, Strapi is an open source headless CMS that allows developers to build, manage, and deliver content via APIs. It also provides an easy way to create and manage APIs for web and mobile applications without writing a backend code from scratch. So, unfortunately, I couldn't show you the exact or the main interface of this Strapi due to restrictions. So, if you want to start using Strapi, you can click this start your demo in order to schedule a online meet on Google Meet or Zoom to the customer service of Strapi. So listen carefully as I explain each step. So first of all, before using Strapi, you need to install it on your local machine. So we have a prerequisite. So Strapi has a prerequisite. So ensure you have the following installed. You should have a Node.js. The latest version is recommended, but you can also use the lower than the latest version. And then after that, the npm. So it comes with the Node.js or Yarn, and after that, the database, you can use SQLite by default or PostgreSQL or MySQL or MongoDB. And then after that, you can install Strapi via command line. So you can open the terminal and run some code, some program. And then after that, after you install Strapi, use a SQLite as default database, but you can also use the your preferred database. And then after that, start the development server once you install the Strapi. So if you want to choose a database, you can open the command line and change the database of yours to your preferred database, and then follow the prompts to configure your preferred database. And now you can start your Strapi. So once installed, navigate to your project folder and then start the Strapi server, and then open the admin panel at the localhost 1337, and then create an admin account. So when you access the admin panel to the first time, you'll need to enter your email, password, and the name, and then click the Let's Start. So after that, Strapi lets you define content types like blog posts, products, or users. So to create a new command type, in the admin panel, go to the content type folder and then click create new collection type, and then name it, for example, article, newspaper, and so on. And then add fields like title, content, image, slug, and then after that, click save. So your API endpoints will be automatically generated. So now to add content to Strapi, now that you've created a content type, you can add data. Go to the content manager and then click the create new entry and fill in the fields. Click publish, and that's it. So enable public access to API. So by default, Strapi API is private. So to allow access, go to settings, roles permission, and then select the public, and then enable read permissions for your content type, and then click save. Now you can access API. And now to consume the API in a front-end app, you can use Strapi's API in React, Vue, Next.js, or any front-end framework. And that's it. So to deploy it, you can deploy Strapi on VPS, AWS, DigitalOcean, Heroku, or Versal. And that's it. That's how you use Strapi this 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.